Hello, students can level up their fitness journey with personalized advice. Use prompts based on your Fitback report to chat with AI chatbot assistants and get tailored exercise recommendations and planning help. Imagine having a tireless, on-demand tutor available after school. Chatbots can be powerful educational tools, offering both students and teachers support in their pursuit of knowledge outside the classroom. These virtual assistants can help students gain competencies in specific subjects, while also providing teachers with new avenues to reinforce learning through engaging activities like personalized homework assignments. Suggested chatbots in Fitback Interactive Report demonstrated to provide reliable answers to our prompts. Nonetheless, PE teachers can use other chatbots with the same prompt to explore different AI sources. The prompts we are discussing are generated within the Fitback Interactive Report to aid in the further use of physical fitness measurement results for health improvement and the development of physical literacy. Select the topics you want to learn more about and customize prompts by language, length, and data source. The prompt builder offers tailored suggestions based on your report. Once created, you can input these prompts into your AI assistant and explore further with follow-up questions. Let's discover some potential prompts. If exercise instructions are unclear, ask the chatbot for clarification.
Can you explain to me how to perform a jumping jack?
How many repetitions should I perform in the Monday training?
And alternatively request different exercises if one is not to their taste.
I don't like this exercise, can you find me an alternative one?
AI technologies can also assist teachers or students in planning individualized programs. As a PE teacher, you can use this advice from AI tools and show students how to interact with these chatbots. Invite students to interact with them by sending further prompts. Here are some strategies to enhance student learning with chatbots. 1. Promote critical thinking. Encourage students to actively assess the chatbot's responses. Can they identify potential mistakes? Do the answers seem accurate? 2. Motivate students to go more in depth. For example, results of some tests might depend on age, gender, or height. Motivate students to report any questionable advice they receive. 3. Reinforce learning through practice. Assign homework tasks that revisit previous tests, particularly those with lower scores. This allows students to practice applying their knowledge in a different context. These are just a few examples of questions that can be asked to further clarify your exercise routine or the material discussed. Students are naturally curious about and eager to explore new technologies. This fuels their desire to learn. While chatbots can offer advice and information for more comprehensive understanding, consulting a PE teacher is always recommended for developing students' autonomy and valuable knowledge for the future. Until next time.